Trying to stay positive here at Meineke Cinnamons, and welcome back. The Honda Civic customer went for a minimum repair with our universal muffler. It is what it is. So I fabricated this rear muffler assembly. This has almost 160,000 miles on it. This is all the original exhaust. At this age, I advised a center pipe assembly and a direct fit center pipe, meaning it has the hangers and flanges on it. It's already pre-made. And then the spring flange and all that stuff. He declined all that because he didn't obviously want to spend all the money. So then our next affordable option, because we give people affordable options here at Meineke Cinnamons, not like anywhere else. You can't get this at Pep Boys, Advanced, or AutoZone, or Mavis.
You also can't get content
or Firestone, or Mr. Tire.
You can't get content from Dylan anywhere else.
Exactly. Right. So there's no other, even a dealership. The dealership is not going to fabricate you from scratch, from straight material or raw materials, an exhaust system you can afford. Pep Boys is going to go to the parts catalog and say, yep, that's $800, $1,000 for your exhaust system. Like it or not, Mr. Customer, that's all we have for you. So we made this up. Same thing at the other competitors. There isn't too many places that's going to make you an exhaust system. There are some Meinekes out there that still do custom exhaust, but I'll tell you what, since we're a dying animal and the generation just isn't interested in fixing cars like they used to be, you're going to find a lot of shops that don't have guys shops that cannot weld, shops that cannot fabricate. Yes, I did ground it to you. Cannot fabricate, cannot think outside the box, cannot make custom exhaust, and that's just the way it is. Our industry is, for good mechanics and skillful mechanics, is falling by the wayside at a rapid rate. But I teach these guys and educate my staff every day, right?
Can I drop this?
Look, what did you just learn today? That Anthony uses the ground strap on the muffler jack or pipe jack when he's doing his exhaust work.
I didn't learn that.
So here's his affordable solution. Dylan's going to cut the hangers off, clean, check the exhaust, and I'm going to move on to diagnosing another car. Thanks for watching. We'll keep bringing you content that you want to view.